Good morning, students. My name is Sanjita Paul. I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to learn about different types of angles. Before we start this chapter, we will have a quick recap about what is an angle. Now, what is an angle? When two rays have a common vertex, an angle is formed. We can say that an angle is made up of two rays with the same endpoint or a same vertex. This is the common vertex. Same vertex, same endpoint or common vertex. We can name it as O. This is A, this is B. So the name of the angle is angle AOB. These two rays, ray OB and ray OA, are arms of this given angle. Okay, now we will learn about different types of angle. There are different types of angle. The first angle is zero angle. First angle is zero angle. Now, zero angle means angle which measures 0 degree. Zero angle means which measures 0 degree. The measure of the angle is 0 degree, then it is known as zero angle. Now, second is acute angle. Second is acute angle. Acute angle is always more than 0 degree, but less than 90 degree. We can say that an acute angle is always greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Then it is an acute angle. We can draw acute angle as 0. This is A, this is B. Now suppose this angle is 50 degree. So this is an acute angle. It is 50 degree is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. How you will make 0 degree? This is O, this is A, and this one is B. This is known as 0 degree. This is known as 0 degree. Clear? Now third is right angle. Third is right angle. Right angle is always equal to 90 degree. Right angle is always equal to 90 degree. How you will draw a right angle? This is 0. This is A, B, and this shows a 90 degree. It is a perpendicular line. This line is perpendicular, that means it is 90 degree because it is equal to 90 degree. Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, clear? Now the fourth one is obtuse angle. Fourth one is obtuse angle. Fourth is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is always greater than 0 degree. It is always greater than 0 degree, but it is always less than 180 degree. Greater than 90 degree, and obtuse angle is always greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. How you will make an obtuse angle? This is O, this is A, this is 90 degree, this is 90, so it is always more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. Clear? This is 90 degree. So it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Suppose this angle is 120 degree. So 120 degree is an obtuse angle. The fifth one is straight angle. Fifth one is straight angle. Straight angle is always equal to 180 degree. Straight angle is always equal to 180 degree. How you will make a straight angle? This is O, this is A, this is B, this is 180 degree. A straight line is 180 degree. Clear? Reflex angle. Reflex angle is an angle which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Reflex angle is always more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Clear? Now here suppose this is point O, this is A. If I draw an angle here like this angle, you have to make the sign of the angle here, okay, at the outer side. So this angle is known as, suppose it is more than 80 degree, suppose it is 230 degree. So 230 degree is always a reflex angle. Here you have to show the sign of this angle. Whereas in obtuse, how we are making, if you make the angle sign like this, then it is an obtuse angle. It is not an reflex angle. Reflex angle, you have to show this sign at the outer side. Clear? Now the sixth one, the last one is complete angle. Complete angle is equal to 360 degree. That means an angle which is equal to 360 degree is known as a complete angle. Clear? Now how you will make a complete angle? This OA, this one is B. Okay, but you have to show this side. This is complete angle. How, whereas zero angle, how it is same. Zero, how we are making zero angle? This is A, this is B. Now this is zero angle. Okay, this is zero angle. But when we are making this sign, it is a complete angle. It is a complete angle. We will make one more time. Just a straight line like this. This is the vertex, common vertex, and this is a complete angle. That is, it takes a complete one round. It makes a complete angle. Clear? These are the different types of angle. We will have a quick recap again about all the angles. First is 0, that is equal to 90 degree. Then comes acute. Then comes acute angle. Acute is always greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Then is right angle, that is equal to 90 degree. Then obtuse. Obtuse is always more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Then come obtuse. Then comes straight. Straight angle is always equal to 180 degree. Then come reflex. Reflex angle is always greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Then come straight angle. Sorry, complete angle. Complete, that is equal to 360 degree. Clear? Zero angle, acute, zero angle equal to, sorry here, zero angle equal to 0 degree, zero angle equal to 0 degree, acute angle more than 0 but less than 90, right is equal to 90, obtuse more than 90 but less than 180, straight equal to 180, reflex more than 180, less than 360, complete is always equal to 360 degree. These are the different types of angles. Thank you.